O dabar tai apsipirksiu.
Yeah. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stockings there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Ooh, baby, whoa, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I don't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I will make a list and send it to the North Pole for singing. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeers click. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you.
Labai gerai apsipirkau, nusipirkau visokių džemperių, kelnių, batų. Buvo labai didelis pasirinkimas, buvo sunku pasirinkti, bet mama padėjo išsirinkti. Tai va, labai patenkinta, kad tiek prisipirkau. Esu labai dėkinga Sprite'ui ir Lietuvos Krepšinio federacijai, kuri organizavo šį turnyrą Sprite'ą 1-1, kurį aš laimėjau. Visiems gražių švenčių!